Hi guys, this is Jackie from the BUILDERALL team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to use the super checkout form that you will find under the elements in your Cheetah site, drag it to your web page, and also create your product right inside of your page. The other option is to go to super checkout and create it as normal. You can see I've already created 3 products right here. I've created more than one because I want to show you the full effect by creating a bump cell. We're going to go back to Cheetah. I'm going to click on the super checkout. I'm going to drop the form. And you'll see there's the 3 that I've already created. And I'm going to create another one. And I'm going to go through this process slowly because there's certain features that are missing. And I want you to understand why I still prefer to go and create everything in super checkout and then come back here. So let's just do this now for product number 4. And choose a language. Let's do digital. Let's say close, next. Now, they do not list all of the accounts. If I go and press that button, you're going to see it gives you PayPal, Stripe, and one. And we've got like in 14, 15 different kinds of payment gateways. You can't choose all of them right here. So I'm just going to go out there and just keep it on Stripe. US dollar, and it is just, let's just make it 1. There's no refund for it. Sorry, not 100. Gonna go next. I'm gonna choose a thank you page and the sales page and hit save. Now we've got 4 products there. The problem with product 4 is it's not connected to Mailing Boss, and it also doesn't have an image. And you probably, if you want to use another payment gateway, that's not activated. So you need to go to super checkout, click on that button. Now I've already done that. I'm going to go out, close that, go to super checkout, and I am going to refresh my page. And there is the product, but you can see it doesn't have an image. So you need to go in and edit it. And that's why I'm saying it's better to just come and create everything that you need and then go back. So I'm just going to go through here quickly and just add some stuff to it. So we know that is the image. We've chosen that. All of that looks fine. I'm going to leave my Stripe account. There's no affiliation. We choose that one. It's already added those products. And you need to choose the Mailing Boss because you didn't choose that yet. Also choose, if you are selling a physical product, to choose your abandoned cart emails. You're going to click next, next. All your integrations is right, and your shipping part. This is also a part that's missing, and that's why you need to complete it right here. You can do free shipping, flat box shipping, and I'm going to click on regular because I want you to see the whole effect. So I'm going to choose easy weight, and I'm just going to create some, just add things randomly. And hit save. And now all of the products is created. Now we need to go and create an offer because I want to show you what the bump cell would look like. So I'm going to go to the left hand side, create offer. And we'll just call BUILDERALL. We're going to choose a main product, which would be number 1. We're going to use a thank you page, the page we're going to sell it, the offer description, next. We're not offering discounts or coupons or refunds. I mean, all of this I've done training for before. And make this offer unlimited, or you can set a specific amount. So I'm just going to leave it at unlimited. I'm going to list the products for the bump cell. So I want to activate all of them. You can choose to only activate some, but I'm going to activate all of them so we can see what it looks like. Buy now and save. You can choose the background color if you like. You're going to go save. And now your offer is saved. Now in the past, you would have taken this link right here. You would have copied it and added it to your website by using an iframe. Now we don't need to do that. I'm just going to click to delete this box so we can start from the scratch. Now you can see what it looks like when we've added it a bump cell. Now you're going to see it's going to come up here. Just give it a few seconds and it's going to show us our bump cell as well. There we go, offer build it all. So we're going to click on it. Now it's giving you different configuration options. You can choose the color, blue, blue deep, orange and black. So I'm just going to leave it at black. You can even go white, but I'm just going to go on the black. I like that. And then you can change all the text. As you can see, it says currently there's an empty input, shipping, balloon text, test item. You need to change that accordingly. So this is where you fill all that information in, and then you're going to click save. You can also select another product if you want to, if you made a mistake. So now it's added. All you need to do is, I'm just going to click save. And it's going to say that's fine. I'm going to place the super checkout there. Close. And I'm going to go to the Cheetah site. 3 little dots. Go to the website page. And now we're going to go through it so you can see how wonderful this is. So there's all my details. And note how quickly it loads. In the past, if we had a 2-step checkout, you would have filled in the one and then you had to issue another page and it would go to the another page and load that. Now it's not necessary. So if I click buy button, it loads it inside the same frame. That is so awesome. I'm so excited. So now you can see this is the main product 1 that you're paying for, and they can choose to buy your upsells, and obviously you need to give better descriptions. So if I add it, you can see it's adding at the bottom of the total. You can add all 3 of them and it will add all the details there, or you can remove them. And then you just need to add in your card details, and when you do that and you fill in all your details, it will go to the next page where there is shipping and all that kind of stuff. And that is how easy it is to add the super checkout from inside of your website.